Hi there, today's video is about how to style men's tie as women's tie. We'll gather about 7 folds along the edge of the wide end with a pin. Now we'll grab the end of the tie with the pin. Now we'll pass the narrow end through the pin. And here we are. It is done. In the next one, we are using 2 ties of same color but in different print. So place the ties on one another and fold the wide ends like this and secure them with a rubber band. Now take the narrow edges and roll them around the folded part one by one. You can also secure it with the pin at the back side of the bow. It will be more convenient and comfortable to carry it. Now it is done. Simply open the folds and you are ready. You can style it in your own way with the dress code of your choice. It looks very stylish. I hope you are going to like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all.